The Empress. The Tower. 7 of Rods reversed. The nurturing Empress is shaken by the Tower's sudden disruption. What once felt secure and fertile is now totally in upheaval. The reverse 7 of Rods highlights a struggle to defend what you have cultivated amidst this chaos, feeling overwhelmed and perhaps even retreating. This combination urges you to find the inner strength within the destruction, to reassess what truly nourishes you, and to rebuild with clearer boundaries, even if it does feel kind of daunting right now. Trust the potential for new growth after the fall.